Alright, what's going on, players? This is my top favorite dividend stocks for 2020. Alright, so first up on the list is AbbVie. I don't know how the fuck to say it, but that does not matter. They're currently paying a dividend of $1.18 per share, and the company's yield is 4.8%. The large cap pharmaceuticals industry average yield is 3.23%, and the S&P 500's yield is 2.51%. So they're a good amount bigger than both of those. In terms of dividend growth, the company's current annualized dividend of $4.72 is up 10.3% from last year. AbbVie has delivered an average of 17% per year annual increases in its dividend based on the past 7 years of dividend payments. Since 2013, their quarterly dividend has nearly tripled from 40 cents to $1.18 per share. Alright, so next up on the list, AT&T. You guys know me and AT&T. I fucking love that stock, but actually you probably don't unless you follow my Instagram link in the description. You can check it out, but they have a lot of growth potential with 5G coming out, and AT&T became the second largest wireless service provider and the largest wireline service provider in America. Since they acquired Time Warner Bros., which brought them a bunch of companies like HBO, CNN, truTV, TMZ, Cartoon Network, Time Magazine, and a bunch more. I have an Instagram post about it. You can check it out. But AT&T, about their dividend, they pay out $9.69 billion in dividends. Their payout tops some countries' GDP, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. AT&T's annualized dividend growth is 4.5%, and it also has the highest yield in the entire Dow Jones. Alright, this one's for all you fucking crusty-ass cigarette smokers and jewelers out there. Altria, ticker symbol MO, with the 6.5 dividend yield. Altria's reputation as one of America's best safe haven stocks virtually guarantees that the dividend is safe. They have increased their dividend for 50 years in a row. Their revenue keeps climbing despite falling sales volume. And since 2009, Altria has posted an overall profit growth of more than 60%. Alright, so if you look at this chart right here, this is one of the reasons that a lot of investors don't like Altria, because it's been in a downtrend for a while, for many years. But if you think about it, they keep increasing their dividend, and their profit overall has continuously been going up. So I just feel like it's a safe haven stock, and I'm going to keep money in it. Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO, with the 3.7 dividend yield. They own a stupid amount of drinks and beverages and chips and all that shit, but it's one of the dividend king stocks. It's been paying dividends since 1962. It's a blue chip stock that has sales year over year increasing pretty much. There was a couple years in there where they didn't increase, but overall they have been increasing year over year in sales, and they IPO'd in 1919, so they have been around for over 100 years, meaning that they are a good recession-proof stock, and odds are you're not going to lose money with this. This is not a recommendation or financial advice. Please contact a financial advisor. Thank you. Alright, but hold up. Look at this fucking chart. This is their dividend history. Would you put money in that? Fuck yeah, I would any day. That's crazy. They keep on increasing it. I'd say it's one of the best stocks out there. Fuck, we got going on here next. Starbucks, baby. It's still a growth company. It has a lot of growth potential in the years to come. Their payout ratio for their dividend is 26%, which if you think about it, that's pretty low compared to some of the other dividend king stocks. So they're saving a lot of money still, and they're not paying it all out in dividends. They have increased their dividend every single year since they started paying dividends, which was in 2010. You already know. Wally World, Walmart, baby. It's one of the most well-known and valuable brands. Like, everybody fucking knows Walmart. It's been around for over 50 years, which means it's a good recession-proof stock. Its main competition is Amazon, and I mean, that's bad because Amazon is fucking huge, but I don't see Walmart going anywhere. I think it'll forever be here, honestly. They've been around for 50 years. I think they'll be here for another 50. Walmart's sales in the United States grew 3.6%, which is the highest annual growth rate in a decade. And their e-commerce sales also grew by 40%. That was in 2018. So they're still growing. Even though they're a big company and they've been around for a while, they're still growing. And their dividend has increased every single year for the past 45 years. And with their 1.8 dividend yield, with only $1,000 investment, you would make an annual return of $280 through dividends, which is pretty good if you think about it for holding a blue chip stock. You know what the fuck to do, man. Hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, peace out. Wait. Follow my Instagram too, link in the description. Alright, peace.